Hello friend, welcome back. Okay, so now why did I put the temp code here? It means this part, right? Shouldn't be here. Okay, now where should it be? We need another file to represent our game engine, our game board or game manager. Okay, so this is just a logical concept of chess piece. We need a chess engine. Okay, let's create one which will contain a piece box. So we can right click here, new file. So yeah, switch file. Next. So chess engine, ChessBoard. Okay, ChessBoard is good. Okay, ChessBoard. Now we can put it here. So ChessBoard will contain a bunch of chess pieces, right? Yeah, let's create it quickly. Struct ChessBoard. Now the first thing we want to do is, what's the fields, right? We need something like that, right? A piece box like that. So copy and paste here, right? Command B to compile. Yeah, everything still compile. Now we can create our init, right? Function init like board. So inside here we'll create all the pieces, right? And we'll populate this piece box with all the 32 initial pieces. Now we can cut, move out this part. Okay, cut and put it inside our initial initBoard function. So paste here. Now this is not temp code, this is the good code, right? So after this function is called, what's wrong? Cannot mutate. Oh, okay. So click here. So by default, all the functions, right, inside a struct is immutable. Immutable means we cannot change the state of this object. Now it's very easy to fix. Click fix. It will add a mutating here. It means inside this function will change the state of the object of this guy. Now it's okay. So where do we use it? We create a struct, right? If we don't use it, it just stay there. It won't affect our app. So here, so this is called a model object. Okay, all model data type. Now there's something called model view controller design pattern, model view controller MVC. Okay, and view controller is the C of the MVC. Okay, design pattern. Let's put it here, like so. Like MVC means model. Okay, let's use this one. MVC, right? M is the model, which is our like ChessBoard. Okay, V is our view, which is our BoardView. Okay, don't worry too much about that. You'll understand that down the road. C means controller, which is this guy, view controller. Okay, so MVC is design is a design pattern. Okay, and we see. So now here we'll create an object. So an object of our chessboard. So chessboard like that. We'll create one here. And when view did load, we'll call its initBoard, right? To deploy all the 32 initial pieces. So we'll call ChessBoard.initBoard. Okay, so after this line of code, the piece box inside this one, right, becomes empty. Okay, so after that, now let's go back to here. So there's this is still empty. Okay, so we'll update this one. Oh, now we need a variable to represent our board view here, but we don't create it directly here. We use control drag. So that's hold on option key, click main storyboard. Okay, now we have both things, both editors side by side. Now let's bring up this board view and hold on control key, control drag, and put it here. Okay, so give a name, board view, like that. Connect. Okay, so this guy represents this view here, this view, our view. Okay, our board view. So now we'll update board view. Let's run it to see what happened. Okay, let's run it now. So command R. No pieces, right? No pieces, because even though the piece box inside this object is not empty, but inside this one there's another variable there called piece box, that which is empty, still empty. So we can update this one like it's like a shadow. It's like a shadow piece box, right? Equals our main piece box, like that. Then it should be okay. Yeah, see? Cool. So maybe we can rename this one to shadow. Do you want to do that? We can rename this to like shadow piece box. Sorry about the noise. I just closed the door now. Okay. So yeah, for beginner, maybe sometimes, right, beginners, they will be confused with like this piece box or that piece box. So again, this one always follow this one. Okay, always. So don't modify this directly. Okay, so every time when we make, for example, when we make a move, okay, we change this piece box, right? We change the location of one of the pieces there. Then we use this line to update this shadow. Okay, let's rename it. Rename. You see, yeah, this guy is used in here and the draw pieces, view controller and the board view. Okay, now let's rename it to shadow piece box. Okay, or secondary. Okay, something like that. Rename. Now, yeah, this rename won't change it's just like refactoring. It won't change the feature, right? The function of the app. Now run it again. Yeah, cool. So now we can close this one and take another look up here. So still good, right? So this one is empty, but at the moment when we draw when we call draw piece, right here, it is not empty, this guy, the shadow piece box, because when the view, right, did load, we update this one with our main piece box container, which is not empty right after this line. Cool. So that's it for today. See you next time. Thank you for watching.